So there you go. A big pile of mould. And on that side of the roof, look. No mould at all. But that's the side where the sun hits. So it must be drying the roof out. And I was wearing a mask when I was filming this. I wouldn't go in here without a mask because mould can be quite dangerous to your lungs. And you can see that the door panels are absolutely soaking inside. So it's not a good situation, is it? What would you do if your shed was like that? Set fire to it, I suppose. I also added 2 vents to the outside. See, a vent there and a vent there. But it's made it worse. It's worse than last year. So I really don't know what's going on. Really mouldy. Look, it's even down there, look. Terrible.